What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. We're headed to the car to the drag strip. We're at the gas station picking up some gas. Got the car on the trailer. Drag strip is over there. We're gonna get pulled in there. This will be the first time with the Turbo LS in the car. It's probably gonna run like a 12 because one, I got to turn way down, like 4 pounds of boost. Just want to do some test and tune, and this is the closest drag strip that's open in my area, so we're gonna go over there and test it out. Catch you up when we get there. Oh, got it at the track. Suspension set. We're here with a couple buddies over there. And I'm gonna go see what it does. Be interesting to see. It's still dirty from the garage. Haven't even washed it. That's what it is. Slow. So you can just fire up the Mustang. It's kind of a balloon swap.
Slow as all get out, still freaking fun. I got gas by a 392 Charger, but so be it. $13.93.
Oh yes, you slow?
No, you were reeling him in. You can ask any of them. You were reeling him in on the big end.
Well, I let out of it because my whole face shield fogged over. I couldn't see anything. So I was like, trying to flick it up. I was like, I can't see. So you'll see it in my video. Like I was like, can't see nothing. I let off when I did that. I was like scared because I was like, I can't see. That's fun though, man. Yeah, I'm definitely going again. 1393 to 111.
Stop shaking.
It's one of those things where if you go to, it's like an adrenaline rush. It's like riding a roller coaster to me. Yeah. Let's go see what the Fox body ran. I'm gonna say it's somewhere in the 10s because that car makes gobs of power and it's pretty damn quick. Alright, I'm gonna go make my second pass. Added a little bit more fuel down low and kept it up high because it was good. Hopefully we'll launch a little bit harder. I was kind of not scared of it, but I just want to make sure everything's working good. But we're gonna hop in the car and catch you back out there.
Six, 111 miles an hour. He's heading high gear, boys. He's getting it. Them Turskies ought to be coming in any second now. He's making it. He's halfway there.
Yep. I definitely went faster, 13:36. I think the last one was 13:9. It might per hour slower, but I did spin, and yeah, I'm just gonna look at the data log and go back out there again.
22?
No, it's on bar.
Here it is when it fell. It hit home.
Well, about to go make another pass.
Left me out of here. Old nephew, I gotta leave him out sometimes.
I'm here
I'm
always.
cameraman for the night, so I'm gonna hand him the camera.
That manager.
Not with a dang 6-year-old tire. I gotta get a dang Mickey Johnson or something on the back. It's just spinning them over. But it was fun. I hope my data log's saved. We'll see. My computer's on the floor. Oops. That's coming.
Hey, I think it's because the track's so cold.
It's just gonna spin, man. These tires are crazy.
I mean, it's the tires too, but it is like 40 out here.
I think I'm gonna try it again and just leave off. I'm gonna leave off the just leave off the tree, not on boost. Try to see what happens. See if I can keep it. Well, I'm a bracket racer. I ran another 13 freaking 3. And I was spinning like crazy. So I think this time I'm gonna go back up there and not try to build any boost, just leave off the light and see if it spins, see what happens. And then we'll see. I want to go 12, but can't go no 12 when you ain't got no traction. We'll get there. About 4 bus leaks on my rear end, but that car's fast, man, and I'm very thankful to that. He's taught me some things while I was here about tire pressure and just, you know, what to do, what not to do. So I'm very thankful. Thank you, Brian, and thanks for inviting me to come out here. It's a freaking blast. I'm ready to come back again. Hopefully I ran a much better time this time. I'm hoping for, I'd love to get a 12.99, but you never know. We'll just see what happens. But we'll catch you down at the thing where we got to get the ticket. Thank you. Dang it! I ran a 13.1. I really wanted a 12.99. Gosh, I'm so close. I'm coming back next week. Y'all gotta tune in. I'm coming back next week. We're turning this thing up, and I'm running a dadgum 12. I might go borrow some slicks from somebody or something, or some radials from somebody, because I want this thing to go fast. I'm addicted, and it's gonna be a problem. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a 13.1. It's the fastest I went all night. Started out at a 13.9, and I got it down to a 13.1, which is, that's a win in my book. It's only gonna go faster. The more I turn up the boost, the better it's gonna be. I got donkey gap by the box body over there. Went about 4 buses on me, but it was fun. I went 13.17. Fastest all 112, and that's also the fastest mile per hour per night. So
2/10 of a second with 1 mile per hour. Freaking blast, man. You think that was your best pass?
yeah, that was definitely my best pass. I got gapped pretty bad, but I'll take it. I went 13.17 these bad boys. Crocs. Not the fastest Crocs, but maybe. Well, the old car did good. 4 pounds. She ran a 13.17. I mean, yeah, that's slow for what it is, but it's still fun.
That's the best 13 seconds ever.
It was a good time. Anyways, thanks for watching. Tune in probably next episode. I'm gonna try to get my brother out here with his 71 Impala and see if we can get him to go down the track because he's never been. And yeah, see if we can go faster. I'll get him behind the computer and see if he can turn it up. And, you know, we'll see what happens. And thanks to my nephew for filming all night. My wife for coming out. It's just a good time. My friends for inviting me over there. But yeah, we're gonna get on the road and get out of here. You know the message if you've been watching for a while. If you ain't on the break, bet me on Skinny Pedal, son. We out of here.